Alright, so I'm here with the Potensic Atom, and as you can see here, I have the Atom 2 props installed, and I also have the Atom 2 OTG cable. I wanted to come out here and see if it was fully compatible, and that's what we're going to see now. Now there is someone else here flying a drone. I think it's an FPV drone somewhere around there, so hopefully we don't collide. I think he's flying low, so I should be good. Now another thing I forgot to mention here is that I'm using a ND filter. This one's made by Skyreat and it's a N32, so I'm going to test that out and see if it's compatible with the Atom camera 2. Alright, so let's go ahead and take her up and take her for a quick flight.